Hello, we're about to show you where to find the NASCAR fan pack in Rocket League. So it's pretty easy to do. You just go to the item shop right here. You see the normal item shop with all the stuff in it, but then up top, you see you can hit LB and RB or L1, R1, depending on what system you're on. And you can scroll through these. Scroll all the way to the right, second to last on the right. And as you can see, we got the NASCAR 2021 Fan Pack. It does cost 2,000 credits, which here in America translates to about 20 US dollars. But it may be different depending on where in the world you are. But as you can see, it's for $20. If you know anything about these fan packs, this is a pretty solid value because you actually get 3 cars. A lot of these packs, these DLC packs, is 1 car for the same price. So very solid value. Wow! And I didn't realize how much. So let's go through this. You get the NASCAR Toyota Camry, NASCAR Chevy Camaro, and the NASCAR Ford Mustang. Got the Goodyear wheels, of course, and then it looks like we got all kinds of decals here, which is very cool. So we got different numbers, and it looks like these are actually. I enjoy NASCAR, but I'm not super familiar with it. But it looks like these are actually like this is the Roush Fenway Racing number 6, Stuart Haas Racing number 10, Team Penske 22. So this is pretty cool. It does bum me out. I did not realize this, but it does bum me out. I'm sure this means that that you won't be able to customize the car with your own decals, but we'll find out here for sure in a second. But still, this is a real nice selection for 2,000 credits. Got all these banners as well. Yeah, so let's go ahead and pick this up. We will purchase the bundle. Boom. You got all these new items, and what I am also going to do, which as you can see, there's also this free trail you can download, which is pretty cool looking. It's just the NASCAR colors there. And this one's free. You don't have to pay for it all. So you just click it, claim it, and there you go. So if anyone was wondering, or if you couldn't figure out where to get the NASCAR pack, that's where to get the NASCAR pack. So if you are watching this in video form, make sure to check out all of our other videos on our YouTube. We've got all kinds of great videos on car games, as well as many, many more about just cars in general. We are Autoblog after all. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you are interested in seeing stuff like this go down live, as well as gameplay, check out our live streams every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, both on YouTube and Twitch. Thanks for watching. We're going to get back to the stream.